Are you aware of the bouncing letters? You might be asking yourself right now, what are the bouncing letters? Well, let's get straight into it. I'm your host, Adil Rahim from Quran Flow, presenting to you your 10-day Quran challenge for Dhul Hijjah. What this is referring to, there are certain letters, I want you to listen carefully. Not all letters are to be bounced, and not in all scenarios. There are specific letters that should be bounced whenever they have a sukun on them, right? Or what's known here as our rest sign, right? What's known here as our rest sign. Those specific letters, just memorize them, they're few. Those letters are qaf, ta, ba, jim, and the letter dal. And keep in mind that this does apply at the end of verses, right? Because in majority of scenarios, in most verses, right, this is not the only scenario of stopping, but in most scenarios, you are stopping on a sukun, right? You are stopping on a rest sign, like we have here as well in this ba. So bouncing sign is more like we are like vibrating the sound as well. So I'll show you an example of what I mean. So it's very common to hear these verses, for example. ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب. Kasab, right? That's not a correct pronunciation. Rather, on this sound here, you want to bounce it. But you don't want to bounce it to the point that it sounds like a sound sign, right? So you don't want to say kasaba or kasabi or kasabu, right? Or it's leaning towards one of these sound signs. Rather, you are just vibrating that sound, right? It's a silent sound. Kasabe, kasabe, right? That's at the end of a verse. We also have it coming in a middle of a verse, right? In the middle of this word right here, in the last verse of Surah Masad. في جيدها حبل من مسد. Hab, right? And hablun, right? Meant short to bounce the sound whenever you see your sukun, your rest sign. And that is, let's repeat once again, specific to the letters qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal, right? Now that you know how to bounce your letters and when to bounce your letters, let's practice that and apply that to Surah Masad together. Read along with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب. سيصلى نارا ذات لهب. وامرأته حمالة الحطب. في جيدها حبل من مسد. Wow, that was perfect. That was amazing. Now, if you want to master other tajweed rules, make sure to visit us at quranflow.org and enroll in our upcoming semester. I look forward to seeing you guys there. Until then, Assalamu alaikum.